Understanding cool on a rack in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, cool on a rack. This might sound like a simple phrase, but it's packed with cultural and practical meaning, especially in cooking contexts. Let's dive in and learn more about it. Cool on a rack is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. It's a direction given after something has been baked or cooked. Cool refers to allowing the item to reduce its temperature after being removed from the oven. On a rack suggests placing the item on a wire rack or a similar surface that allows air to circulate around it. This process helps the food to cool evenly and prevents it from becoming soggy. Why is this step important? When you cool on a rack, you are ensuring that your baked goods, like cookies or bread, maintain their ideal texture. It prevents steam from building up at the bottom of the food. If you were to cool your baked goods on a solid surface, the heat and moisture could turn the bottom soggy, ruining the overall texture. In English-speaking cultures, particularly in the context of home baking, cool on a rack is a phrase that almost every home cook is familiar with. It reflects a common practice in baking and is a small yet crucial part of the process. This phrase also signifies the patience and attention to detail that is often valued in cooking and baking. So, there you have it, cool on a rack is more than just a simple instruction. It's a crucial step in the art of baking, ensuring the perfect texture and quality of your baked goods. I hope this explanation helps you in both your cooking ventures and in understanding the nuances of the English language. Happy baking and learning!